Our Lady of Rosa Mystica. Feast Day, July 13th. The Catholic Church dedicates the 13th day of July every year to Our Lady Rosa Mystica, Mystical Rose, in accordance to a request made by the Blessed Mother, when she appeared to a humble Italian woman in Montichiari in northern Italy in a series of apparitions in 1947. The devotion has an image of the Blessed Virgin Mary bearing 3 roses in her heart, symbolizing prayer, penance and expiation. The Marian title, Rosa Mystica, has a long history in the Church and is included in the Litany of Loreto, Mystical Rose. Mary has been compared to the mysterious or mystical rose since the earliest days of the Church, when Christians regarded this flower as a metaphor of both martyrdom and paradise. Eve was a thorn, wounding, bringing death to all, writes Saint Bernard of Clairvaux. In Mary we see a rose, soothing everybody's hurts, giving the destiny of salvation back to all. The apparitions of our Blessed Mother under the title of Rosa Mystica, Mystical Rose, appeared in Montichiari, Italy to a humble Italian woman named Pierina Gilli. It is believed that the original purpose of these appearances of our Blessed Mother was to reform the clergy and religious houses of the time. Appearing with the 2 children of Fatima, Francisco and Jacinta, on December 7, 1947, in the local parish church for the 6th time, under the title of Rosa Mystica, Mary continued the message of Fatima, urging us to do penance and pray the Rosary. It was during the apparition on July 13, 1947 that Our Lady said, "It is my wish that the 13th of July of each year be celebrated in honor of the Rosa Mystica, the mystical rose. I am the mother of the mystical body of Christ, mother of the Church." Our Lady also expressed her sadness on the unworthy celebration of Holy Mass and Communion unworthily received, the unfaithful who gave up their vocation as a priest or a religious, and the betrayal of the faith. On the first apparition, 1947, of Rosa Mystica to Pierina, she had 3 swords piercing her heart. She was sad and said, "Prayer, penance, expiation." Then she was silent. On the second apparition of the Mother of God, June 13, 1947, instead of the 3 swords she had 3 roses over her heart, red, white and gold, yellow. She explained the meaning of the 3 swords and the 3 roses. The swords. The first sword, lost vocations. The second sword, lost grace. The third sword, lost faith. By praying, sacrificing and doing penance we bring roses to our Mother and do reparation for the injury of the swords. The roses. White rose, prayer. Red rose, sacrifice with expiation. Golden yellow rose, penance. Penitence, acceptance of the little daily crosses, and also doing one's work in the spirit of penitence. These 3 roses will make the 3 swords fall from the most blessed hearts of Jesus and Mary. On June 13, 1947, when Our Lady appeared for the 2nd time to Pierina Gilli, a message was given, "On this day I shall send to these religious institutes, members of orders, and secular priests who have honored me in this way, a superabundance of graces and great sanctity." Pope John XXIII, in 1962, asked that all pray to the Mother of God under the title of Mystical Rose, to obtain the success of the 2 Vatican Council, Ancilla Domini magazine, May 6-1962. Pope Paul VI, the 5th of May 1969, asked that the Holy Rosary be prayed and that the Mary be honored with the title of Mystical Rose. Pope John Paul II blessed the statue of Rosa Mystica in Rome on more than one occasion. He kept a statue in his private chapel during his pontificate. Maria Rosa Mystica is known as the Mother of the mystical body of Christ. She is Mother of the Church and Mother of us all. Happy Feast of Maria Rosa Mystica.